going to get personal now. I'm going to ask you a question. Who remembers when they were growing up having these in the house? Yes, lots of us.
Yeah, a lot bigger then.
Yeah. And 15 and 20 years ago, if you wanted a local business, this is where you'd go. To your yellow pages. So you're going to come with me now back to 1989. I've got a water leak at home. I need a plumber. Yellow pages. Apple iPhone. So get me yellow pages. I turn to the plumber section. I get presented with a list of plumbers, alphabetical list, A to Z, nothing to distinguish between any of them. I'm going to pick one. I'm going to pick probably one of the first ones to see, beginning with the letter A. Now the smart plumbers, I wasn't alone in this, the smart plumbers got wise to this. So they started to change their business names. So they were AA plumbers, AAA plumbing, A1 plumbing and heating. And they'd done that because they got the calls. So the medium has changed, but as humans we haven't. We now go to Google to look for a plumber. Google gives us hundreds of pages. We'll pick a plumber from the first couple of pages. So SEO is like putting AA or AAA in front of your business name. Just gets you found, gets more people calling you.